I can't believe my dad made me come to therapy. Hi, Mark. I know you probably don't want to be here, but your dad says it could help you since you just lost your mother. Let's just get to it. Okay, you're gonna talk to your mom if she was sitting in this chair. But she's not. I know, but this is just an exercise to help you. Fine. Hey, Mom, how are you doing? I miss you too. You look different. Mom, can you just do the exercise? Where are you going, by the way? Mom, get back here. Get off that. No. Mom, no. What's going on? Oh, God. What? Oh, my gosh. She did it. What just happened? What was that? She just jumped out of the window. Because she hated this exercise so much. I just lost her again.
Oh, great heavens!